Jeffrey, stop it. Videotaping right now. Yeah. I'm videotaping, not taking pictures. Oh.
Whatever, Miranda.
Oh, who kicked me? Was that you? Well, I see you with that stick. Hey, Mickey. That's so awesome. I even don't know what I should do. Wait, let me see the picture. Oh, wow. Okay, good. Stop the videotape right now. Trophy.
Coming over or not?
What are you doing? Sit down. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to you. Happy What flavor is it?
I don't know yet.
It's football flavor.
What does football taste like?
You don't eat cake, so.
Oh, no, you're not. I'm going to eat it. Oh, let's do this more.
Okay.
Oh, can I have the Ravens piece? Yeah. I want the ring too.
Watch your hand. Watch your hand.
Wait, no, I want the trophy.
Okay, let's take the pieces off. The ring.
Wait, I want the trophy.
Hold on, no. That's Grandpa's cake, Daddy.
Y'all can have some of it. You can't take all of
There
it.
you go, Mom.
Oh.
No, I ain't no cake either.
Honey, this is from...
I'm gonna do what I do best.